Welcome to the Cast Iron Babe. I'm Julianne and I am so happy you're here. Today I'm going to show you a refreshing classic lemonade that's ideal for backyard barbecue paired with your favorite summer food, sizzling on the grill. Now when you think of lemonade, it's kind of hard not to smile and reminisce about slower, simpler times. So sit back, take a nice deep breath, and hang out for a few. This recipe is made from fresh ingredients and full of fun for the whole family to make together. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need, and let's start with ingredients. 2 cups fresh squeezed lemon juice, that's 9 to 12 lemons depending on size. 1 lemon sliced for garnish, 2 cups of water, and 1.5 cups of sugar, monk fruit sweetener, or honey. Now for the tools you'll need. A cutting board, knife, spoon, juicing tool, measuring cups, strainer, small saucepan, and a pitcher. Once you have all your ingredients and you're ready to make the lemonade, it's time to set the mood. Play your favorite music, dance, be childlike, wear a fun apron, your silly hats, and always keep wholesome snacks on hand. Now that the stage is set, let's make our simple syrup. Over medium heat, in a small to medium saucepan, stir often 2 cups of water with 1.25 cups of your choice of sweetener, honey, monk fruit sweetener, or sugar, until the water runs clear or right before it boils, and then set aside to cool. Step 2, prep all your lemons by washing them thoroughly and then rolling them on a hard surface with good pressure to soften the membranes of the lemons. This will maximize the amount of juice you get and make it much easier to juice the lemons. This will be a kid favorite activity. Step 3, cut 9 to 12 lemons in half and 1 lemon in 1/8 to 1/4 inch slices. Step 4, juice the half lemons over a large glass measuring cup until you have 2 cups of juice. Step 5, now that the lemons have been juiced, strain the lemon juice into a glass pitcher and the cooled simple syrup and stir thoroughly. Finally, add 2 cups of ice, 4 cups of cold water, and mix well. Now for my favorite part, pouring, garnishing, and drinking it. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh wow, really fresh. It's tart, it's not too sweet, really speaks summer, cold, and fond memories to go along with it. They're so fresh and they're tangy too. Let's see. Oh my God, I just got my eye cut. I'm so glad that you were here. If you like our channel, please click subscribe. If you like the video, click like. Tell your friends about us and come back and grow with us. We love it when you're here. Remember our mission, feed the people, nourish yourself. I'll see you on the next episode of the Cast Iron Babe. Bye-bye.